What role does mass media play in a democratic society? A. It serves as a decorative element. B. It is the driving force of public opinion. C. It provides entertainment only. D. It primarily focuses on economic reports. The correct answer is B. It is the driving force of public opinion. What is the minimum age requirement for a person to be a member of Lok Sabha? A. 30 years. B. 25 years. C. 18 years. D. 21 years. The correct answer is B. 25 years. Who was the first woman president of India? A. Pratibha Patil. B. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. C. Sushma Swaraj. D. Indira Gandhi. The correct answer is A. Pratibha Patil. Which type of democracy involves citizens electing their rulers? A. Direct democracy. B. Authoritarian rule. C. Representative democracy. D. Absolute monarchy. The correct answer is C. Representative democracy. What is placed on a circular pedestal? A. The wheel of righteousness. B. The entire emblem. C. The animals. D. The lions. The correct answer is D. The lions. Where is the Tamil Nadu State Election Commission situated? A. Coimbatore. B. Coimbatore, Chennai. C. Madurai. D. Tiruchirappalli. The correct answer is B. Coimbatore, Chennai. How many ways of acquiring citizenship are prescribed by the Citizenship Act of 1955? A. 5. B. 4. C. 6. D. 3. The correct answer is A. 5. Who appoints the Attorney General for India? A. The Speaker of Lok Sabha. B. The President of India. C. The Prime Minister. D. The Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. The correct answer is B. The President of India. Who proposes the name of a candidate for president? A. At least 25 electors. B. At least 50 electors. C. At least 100 electors. D. At least 75 electors. The correct answer is B. At least 50 electors. What is the term for the judiciary's power to declare a law unconstitutional? A. Judicial review. B. Constitutional amendment. C. Executive oversight. D. Legislative review. The correct answer is A. Judicial review. What was the teacher planning to explain in detail after being asked by Saran? A. The history of forts. B. What a legislative assembly is. C. The role of the chief minister. D. The structure of the school. The correct answer is B. What a legislative assembly is. Besides Wings of Fire, which of these is another famous book by Kalam listed in the text? A. India Wins Freedom. B. Ignited Minds. C. My Experiments with Truth. D. The Discovery of India. The correct answer is B. Ignited Minds. Apart from the fixed dates, what is another condition under which Gram Sabha meetings can be held? A. During extreme weather. B. Only if the district collector is present. C. During an emergency. D. If requested by a single person. The correct answer is C. During an emergency. What is one of the primary reasons for strengthening a country's security in relation to its borders? A. To attract foreign investment. B. To improve diplomatic relations. C. To facilitate trade agreements. D. To defend against foreign aggression. The correct answer is D. To defend against foreign aggression. What are people reminded of by symbols like the national flag and national anthem? A. Historical conflicts. B. Individual rights. C. Regional differences. D. Their great nation and the need to stay united. The correct answer is D. Their great nation and the need to stay united. What model of constitutional democracy has India adopted for the post of Prime Minister? A. Westminster model. B. Federal model. C. Presidential model. D. Unitary model. The correct answer is A. Westminster model. Who reorganized the civil and criminal judicial system in India? A. Warren Hastings. B. Lord Cornwallis. C. William Bentinck. D. Lord Dalhousie. The correct answer is B. Lord Cornwallis. What does the Constitution confer upon citizens? A. Only duties. B. Only restrictions. C. The following rights. D. No specific provisions. The correct answer is C. The following rights. What is an assertion made about road signs? A. They are easy to understand. B. They are rarely used. C. They are decorative. D. They are confusing. The correct answer is A. They are easy to understand. What is one recommended action to prevent road accidents? A. Slow down on the bends. B. Increase speed on straight roads. C. Drive without headlights at night. D. Use a cell phone while driving. The correct answer is A. Slow down on the bends. What was the national anthem transcript into from its original language? A. Sanskrit. B. Marathi. C. Hindi. D. Tamil. The correct answer is C. Hindi. Which Chola king launched a naval expedition against Srivijaya? A. Rajendra Chola I. B. Vikram Chola. C. Kulothunga Chola I. D. Rajaraja Chola I. The correct answer is A. Rajendra Chola I. What negative social practice was exacerbated because the original act did not ensure women's property rights in Hindu undivided families? A. Child labor. B. Female infanticide. C. Dowry. D. Untouchability. The correct answer is C. Dowry. When were local self-governments revived during the British period? A. Mid-19th century. B. Last quarter of the 19th century. C. Early 20th century. D. Early 18th century. The correct answer is B. Last quarter of the 19th century. The text mentions bicycles as an example of what type of good? A. Raw materials. B. Luxury goods. C. Capital goods. D. Consumer goods. The correct answer is D. Consumer goods. What does West Asia serve as a gateway to? A. Sub-Saharan Africa. B. North American markets. C. Maritime Southeast Asia. D. Landlocked and energy-rich Central Asia. The correct answer is D. Landlocked and energy-rich Central Asia. What is the minimum age required for a member of the Rajya Sabha? A. 25 years. B. 30 years. C. 40 years. D. 35 years. The correct answer is B. 30 years. What is a characteristic of a federal government compared to a unitary government? A. It is less expensive. B. It has more concentrated powers. C. It is weaker. D. It is stronger. The correct answer is C. It is weaker. Who was elected as the temporary president of the Constituent Assembly? A. LexisNexis. B. SC Sarkar. C. Not specified in text. D. PM Bakshi. The correct answer is C. Not specified in text. Under which article can the governor recommend president's rule in a state? A. Article 356. B. Article 365. C. Article 361, 1. D. Article 350. The correct answer is A. Article 356. How did you score?